Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Scratch Remover is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner looking to maintain that showroom shine, as minor scuffs and scratches can quickly detract from your vehicle's aesthetic appeal and even its resale value, making a reliable solution not just a convenience but a necessity for preserving your investment. Number 5. Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Luber Kit. Introducing the Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Luber Kit. This essential detailing accessory is designed to remove embedded dirt and contaminants from your vehicle's paint, glass, and metal surfaces. Safely eliminate overspray, brake dust, industrial fallout, tree sap, and road grime. It restores a perfectly smooth surface, preparing it for enhanced shine and protection. This kit is safe for clear coat, single-stage paint, glass, polished metals, and chrome. It's gentle enough for all vehicle colors and finishes, delivering professional results. Using it is easy. Simply spray the lubricant, glide the clay bar gently to lift away dirt, and wipe clean for a flawless, glass-like finish in minutes. Whether you're a car lover or a professional detailer, this kit is a must-have. Achieve a flawless base before polishing, waxing, or applying advanced paint protection. It's ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. This versatile choice is safe for painted, coated, wrapped, or clear bra surfaces, perfect for any detailing project. What we like. This kit is perfect for restoring a smooth finish to your car's paint. If you're looking to prepare your vehicle for waxing or coating, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for detailing enthusiasts who want a flawless base before applying protection. What people say. This was easy to use, solution smelled good, clay bar worked great and results are amazing. No more using tar removing chemicals and struggling with sap, clay bar takes care of it all and leaves an amazing shine after a quick spray of wax. The lubricant spray has a pleasant odor. The spray allows the clay bar to glide across the surface of the car. It's important to generously spray the lubricant and not allow the clay bar to have any drag on the surface. The results were excellent and I could see how this kit helped me to achieve a like-new appearance of the paint. This was particularly noticeable on the black top, which was shiny like glass without any water spots or bumps. Number 4. Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Introducing a revolutionary product that combines powerful cutting action with a fine finishing polish. It's designed to tackle scratches, swirls, and oxidation with ease. Achieve a smooth, clear, and high-gloss finish in just one step. You won't need any extra polishing steps to get that showroom shine back. This versatile formula is safe for all paint finishes, including clear coats, single-stage paints, and even ceramic coatings. It works effectively whether you're using it by hand or with a machine polisher. Our silicone-free formula is safe for repainting and touch-up work. It's perfect for preparing panels before applying coatings or protective layers. Experience fast cutting and fine finishing in a single application. This makes detailing quicker while still delivering professional-level results every time. Ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, and more. It's the perfect solution for both detailing enthusiasts and professional detailers looking for superior scratch repair. What we like. This product offers a powerful one-step solution for scratches and swirls. If you want to quickly restore shine and clarity to your paint without multiple steps, this is the one. It's great for those who need efficient car scratch repair on various vehicles. What people say. It combines polishing and light correction in one step, and it really helps reduce light scratches, swirl marks, and wash marks without making the process complicated. The best part is that you don't need multiple products or advanced techniques, just apply it with a cloth or a polisher and it leaves a deep, glossy finish. I've used this on several cars and it really helps reduce light scratches and swirl marks. Works best with a dual-action polisher, but even by hand it noticeably improves the shine. Number 3. Chemical Guys Bug and Tar Remover. Tired of stubborn bug splatter and tar stains ruining your car's finish? Our powerful formula loosens even baked-on messes in seconds, making cleaning a breeze. Worry no more about damaging your paint. This cleaner is safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, chrome, and plastic, ensuring a brilliant shine without harm. Incorporate this into your car care routine as a pre-wash step. It helps prevent unsightly swirls and scratches by removing bonded debris before your main wash. Achieve maximum coverage whether you're using a wash bucket or a foam cannon. It rinses away easily, leaving no streaks or residue behind for a flawless finish. Keep your vehicle looking its best, especially during summer road trips and drives. This is your go-to solution for tackling bugs, tar, tree sap, and bird droppings. Don't let grime, sap, or droppings dull your car's appearance. This heavy-duty cleaner tackles tough contaminants, restoring your car's pristine look with ease. What we like. This is your go-to for tackling stubborn road grime. If you frequently drive on highways or live in areas with lots of bugs and tar, this will make cleaning a breeze. It's essential for summer driving and maintaining a clean exterior with minimal effort. What people say. Removed all old stains out of my car. This stuff made quick work of it and road tar. It works amazingly well. Ceramic car washes couldn't get the bugs and bees off my car from a trip through Bakersfield. But this did in minutes. No residue and left the car shiny. Number 2. Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. Introducing Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew, your ultimate solution for restoring your car's finish. It effectively tackles common paint imperfections, bringing back its original shine. This advanced formula works on various issues like light scratches, swirls, scuffs, and even headlight oxidation. It's designed to enhance your vehicle's overall appearance with ease. Unlike other products, its protective resins bond to the clear coat, ensuring the repair lasts. Enjoy a finish that won't wash away with rain or car washes. Our precision polishing agents gently level imperfections without harming your paint. It's safe for all glossy paint colors and clear hard plastics, delivering a flawless finish. Achieve professional level results at home, no experience needed. Simply apply by hand with a microfiber towel or use a machine polisher for enhanced correction and shine. Save time and money by erasing years of damage in minutes. Get confident, long-lasting results right in your own driveway. What we like. This solution provides a lasting repair for common paint imperfections. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to refresh your car's appearance at home, this is a great option. It's perfect for DIYers who want durable results without professional tools. What people say. The application process was incredibly straightforward. I followed the instructions, and within minutes, I started to see a noticeable difference. The formula is easy to apply, and it spread smoothly over the scratched areas. After buffing it out, the scratches faded significantly, and in some spots, they were virtually invisible. What I love most is that it doesn't just cover up the scratches, it actually repairs and restores the finish of the paint. The shine that it leaves behind is impressive, giving my car a fresh, polished look. This product will only remove the very slightest smudges scratches. It will however make any scratch or swirl mark look significantly better. As long as it's not down to the paint, or completely through the clear coat. It's simply not possible. Number 1. 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax. Discover the ultimate solution for your vehicle's paint. This product offers a complete package for polishing and waxing, all in one easy step. Tired of unsightly scratches and swirls? This formula effectively removes them, restoring a smooth and flawless finish to your car's surface. Protect your paint's integrity. It is designed to be safe for your clear coat, ensuring a gentle yet powerful cleaning and protection. Want that showroom shine? Achieve a brilliant, high-gloss finish that will turn heads and make your vehicle stand out. No complicated steps here. Its easy application process means you can achieve professional results quickly and without hassle. Experience quality you can trust. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high standards of manufacturing and performance. What we like. Achieve a brilliant shine with this all-in-one product. If you desire a deep, glossy finish and a simple application process, this is the ideal choice. It's made for those who want to enhance their car's appearance efficiently and effectively. What people say. The polish itself is purple, smells like grape bubblegum, doesn't dust at all from what I can tell, unless I'm going out of my way to try and make it dust, and is very effective without having to use anything more than about 3 pea-sized drops per panel. Also, the LSP beads really well. After looking at the MSDS sheet for this, it appears to contain some of the same ingredients as HD epoxy, which is a sealant that contains Montan wax. I may be totally wrong, but that could account for how good this looks on dark paint. It looks really nice on metallic colors as well. This does an amazing job removing light swirls and other light imperfections. Also leaves a nice shine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.